So this app is very simple. It lets you redial any phone number over and over and over again. It just continues to dial it until you stop the app from running. There it is. It's only got 2 buttons. That one's to dial the number, and this one is to donate to my Patreon account. So remember, I'm unemployed, so I would totally appreciate it if you would click this button at the bottom and donate to my Patreon account so I can keep on making some good videos and help out folks with stuff like this. It's already pre-populated when you open up the app with the phone number for the EDD plus a comma and a 1. The comma is there as a pause, and then the 1 gets dialed after the phone call is answered. And if you get the wrong message, the one that you don't want to hear, then once that number 1 is pressed, it'll hang up. And that's what you want, because you want it to just keep on redialing until you get the correct message. If you get the correct message, it'll press 1, and that will tell it that you want your prompts to be in English, and it will continue to read you a 60 or so second long message before it'll allow you to follow more prompts, which will be self-explanatory. So here we go. I'm going to hit speakerphone on.
Thank you for calling the Employment Development
It's the wrong
Department.
message.
Unemployment
And it pressed 1 and it got hung up on. Let's see what happens now. It's going to redial.
Thank you for calling the Employment
Wrong
Development
message.
Department. Unemployment
It hits 1 and it gets hung up on. That's what you want to happen. Redialing again.
Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment
Still the wrong message. So it'll just keep doing that until you get the right message.
Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment
Still the wrong message.
Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment insurance. Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment
Still the wrong message.
Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment insurance. Thank you for calling the Employment Development Department. Unemployment insurance.
You can just let it do that for you, 4 hours a day if you want, because they're only open from 8 a.m. to noon. So they have another line that's
Thank
open.
you for calling the Employment Development
They have another
Department.
line that's
Unemployment
open
insurance.
8 a.m. to 8 p.m., but that line doesn't do you much good.
Thank you for.
That's the correct
We have
message.
significantly ramped up our ability to handle California's unemployment insurance applications.
This is the one you want to hear.
Pandemic unemployment assistance benefits are now available to those unemployed as a direct result of COVID-19 and who do not qualify for unemployment benefits.
They make you listen for about
COVID-19 has
60
created
seconds.
a big increase in the number of calls we receive, but we are here to help you as soon as possible. To better serve you, we have established a new unemployment insurance online assistance center with expanded hours from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. call 833-978-2511. For faster service, use UI online at edd.ca.gov/UI_online to file your regular unemployment insurance claim and pandemic unemployment assistance, certify for benefits, and get payment information.
For information on the last
Now
payment
here-
made on your claim or EDD debit card information, press 1.
This is where they let you
Certify for
enter
weekly
prompts,
or
finally.
bi-weekly continued claims by telephone.
Hit 1.
For information on the last payment made on your claim,
Hit 1.
press 1. If you already have a personal identification number
I don't.
or PIN, press 1.
I'm going to hit
If you
2.
do not have a PIN, please enter your 9-digit social security number.
Well, I'm not going to do that here, but if you just follow the prompts, then you'll
Please make a valid entry.
get to
must
where you
enter
need to go.
9 digits. Please try again. Please enter your 9-digit social.